Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, front-wheel drive. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.